Good morning students and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Dhara Kapadia and in our previous video we see chapter number 7, Glimpses of India, part 1, The Bakers from Goa. So now we will continue the same chapter, and in this lecture I'll give you brief information about part 2, Coorg. So basically Coorg is one small district of Karnataka of India, and which is situated between the Mysore and Mangalore. And the place Coorg is basically famous for the coffee plantation, which is very in big amount of the plantation is occupied over here. And the second thing is very famous for its the mangrove forest, because here the amount of rain droplets are very more, the raining season is very more, so that's why here the big huge forests are there, right? So these two things are very famous in the Coorg. And basically if we are talking about the history of Coorg, so the people who is being here is basically the migration of two different people or two different country, I can say, because the history tells that when Alexander came to India, so he came with the soldiers, he came with a huge army. So they came here in India and situated and stayed in this place Coorg. So the time lapse went and the situation came that they married to that Coorg people actually. So that there was a mingle between them. So this is the thing that they married. They had a marriage with these Coorg people in Indian traditional way. So there was a drastic changes in this area, especially in Karnataka and Coorg. So they are very brave actually. Even in our Indian army also, they joined our national army. Even our the army president was Coorg also, right? Coorgish only. So this shows that they are very brave person. They have brave personality, or they look very tall and dark actually. And in India, these people, the Coorgish people, have the authority to have a fireworks with them. No other people have fireworks without license. They can't use these fireworks without license. But these people only have to have a fireworks with them actually. So this was a history. We talk about the history. Now we are talking about the attire, the look. They are wearing a black waistcoat, and over that they are wearing a black bordered waistcoat actually. Belt, we can say, embroidered belt they are using. So this costume or this attire is look like the Arabis, right? They used to wear this kind of clothes actually. So this is the thing that the Alexander came here, they mingle with these poor people, they marry the army marriages with the Coorgish, and there was a new horizon with them, right? Even if we are talking about this area Coorg, which is situated with Brahmaputra river actually. So this is the thing that the people came there for the tourism purpose also, to go there, to enjoy their day, to chill out their days, right? So this is a very, we can say a panoramic view also we can see from there, because there are very big trees also there, there are the jungle is there, right? So this is the thing that the mangrove forest is always situated at that place where the amount of rain is very more. So people in such season would like to go there and chill out their days. And we can see that the different kind of birds are there, right? Squirrel, then mangrove, the in that jungle there are so many types of animals are there, we can that can accompany you when you travel over there. So this is the very nature loving thing. If you are founding yourself a very nature lover, then this is the perfect place to visit actually. So this is showing this the combination of nature, then the coffee plantation, then the Kyrgyz people's attire, the different type of look, you know. So that is the combination of all these things you are going to love about them. That this was the thing about that history, that attire, right? Then another thing is also that if the Kyrgyz, right, if we are talking about the Kyrgyz people, then they are always happy to look at us actually, right? Because the situation is always arising that things, right? And that was another thing also, that Kyrgyz people always love to have this kind of situation. Even the Kyrgyz is like to have their own idea for themselves, right? So this was a brief idea about the Kyrgyz people actually, and at the end of these things they are going to show about their beauty, their culture, their nature overall, all these things, right? So this is showing that people, Kyrgyz people, like these things very most things, right? Even if we are talking about them, that place also, which is situated in the Karnataka, it is very nature oriented, which is occupied with around the nature only. So this is very best place to visit it also. So this is showing that if we are not talking about the only the coffee plantation or the forest area only, but apart from that, there is a very nature loving things. People come here for the mountain climbing, trekking actually, then roar firing, then swim on the river, to the river. So all these things are very enthusiastic or very fun loving actually. So apart from these things also, we can come to know about the nature of the school people also. We love them, we have to gain some knowledge about this part. Okay, so I hope you have enough idea about it, right? Thank you so much. I think you have enough information you got from this Kyrgyz people. Thank you so much.